Hi guys, and welcome back in another episode of maxdmcrafting. In this episode we will have a closer look to my Whiterock castle. Stay a while and listen. Hello fellow crafters and welcome to maxdmcrafting. I present you the Whiterock castle. Yeah, it's Saturday morning and as usual I'm here for a little chat that is actually a big chat because this is the Whiterock castle. This is my first big project and it was a mashup between some old Warhammer Fantasy Fortress, the fortified manor and some pieces of foam. This was my first big project and actually it gave me a lot of success because it's a beast. Now it's time to reveal you a secret. This piece is unfinished. Basically, as you can notice very well, it's just a first coating of color that I put on this structure. There is a great lack of details. I didn't paint anything basically because at that moment I need it ready for the tabletop game in a month. So at some point I was as usual in late and I decided to give it just a superficial coat of acrylic paint and some flocking. Yeah, it's unfinished. Now I need a castle for my new town. I need a castle in a 28mm scale. Basically, I already, created this one that is actually 28mm scale. As you can see, it's very similar to this part of the castle dimension. I need it to fit in my town, so I want to, restore it and finish it, and I paint it to make it fit in my new town. As you can see, in these points, I really need to detail more this beauty. This is an unfinished balcony. We have this garden that is actually very poor. And also these rocks are very, very elementary. They are very, very, banal, I think. In some points, I need to also improve the brick patterns, to highlight some details, to change some color, to finish the facade, to improve the texture, and so on. So it will be a very interesting journey. What scares me a lot is also that is a piece that was on my shelves for almost 3 years now. Oh my god, time flies. And it's like, all the time you are not touching it because you're thinking that, maybe I can ruin it. But my skills are definitely improved during the last few years, so I'm not afraid anymore. And I think this can be fairly upgraded. Let's have a closer look. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow the Whiterock Castle restoration series. It's just starting now, and I think it will be quite an interesting journey. Remember to support this channel through Patreon and PayPal. Also, if you follow the links below in the description box, those are affiliated links by Amazon. No additive costs for you guys. Just if you buy through those links, you will have this channel grow and do better and better. Till next time, happy crafting!